Did you know that prostate enlargement affects most men as they age, and prostate cancer is one of the most common cancers in men worldwide? Prostate health is a cornerstone of men's overall well-being, playing a key role in maintaining energy, vitality, and confidence. If you're looking to support urinary health, balance hormones, or enhance your quality of life, finding the right supplement can make all the difference. In this video, we'll explore top-rated supplements tailored to address prostate concerns, improve urinary function, and address additional concerns. Whether you're looking for cardiovascular support, hair health, a vegan option, or something suitable for allergies, or even one that boosts sexual health, you'll find a supplement tailored to your needs. Make sure to watch till the end or use the timestamps to jump straight to the one that's perfect for you. Don't miss this chance to find your one-time solution. Before we dive into this video, make sure to check out my other videos where I share effective herbal remedies and natural foods to help shrink an enlarged prostate. You can find all the links in the bio. Don't miss out. Let's start with the top 5 supplements for prostate health. 1. Life Extension's Palmetto Guard. Prostate Health Support. Palmetto Guard is a dietary supplement that promotes prostate health and optimizes hormone metabolism. Key ingredients. Saw palmetto extract. Supports prostate function and urinary health. Beta-sitosterol. Enhances prostate support. Nettle root extract. Promotes urinary health. Boron. Helps maintain hormonal balance. It has 2 product options. Palmetto Guard Saw Palmetto with beta-sitosterol. A focused blend for prostate support and hormonal health. Palmetto Guard with nettle root. Expanded formula for added urinary health benefits. Customer feedback and product details. IHERB buyers. Users highlight benefits for prostate health and hair loss management. The soft gels are praised for being small and easy to swallow. Walmart buyers. Many customers report improved urinary function and better sleep due to reduced nighttime urination. Pricing. Life Extension website. A 60 soft gel bottle is priced at $28.50. Amazon. The same bottle is also available for $28.50. Dosage. Take 1 soft gel daily with meals or as a healthcare professional advice. Consultation. Seek medical advice before use, especially if you have health conditions or are on medication. Check the ingredient list to ensure it is free from allergens that may affect you. 2. Pure Encapsulations ProStaflo. Targeted support for urinary and prostate health. ProStaflo is a men's dietary supplement featuring a concentrated flower pollen extract to support prostate function and urinary health. The first unique feature is flower pollen extract, derived from rye, Secale cereal L. With a 20:1 water-soluble to fat-soluble ratio, this extract has been used for decades in Sweden for its efficacy in urinary and prostate health. The another unique feature is hypoallergenic and vegan. Suitable for those with dietary restrictions or sensitivities, using carefully selected, allergen-free ingredients. Health benefits. Aids healthy urinary function, particularly in men facing challenges with flow or frequency. Supports normal prostate size and function. Promotes smooth muscle function in the urethra, contributing to optimal urinary flow. Sizes. Available in 90 and 180 capsule bottles. Pricing. A 180 capsule bottle is priced at $100. Recommended dose. 1 capsule 3 times daily with meals. Some guidelines suggest up to 5 capsules daily in divided doses. Consult your doctor before use, and exercise caution if you have pollen sensitivities. ProStaflo offers a research-backed approach to maintaining urinary health and supporting prostate function, making it a valuable addition to a daily wellness routine. 3. Havasu Nutrition Saw Palmetto. Prostate, urinary, and hair health support. This supplement features 500 mg of saw palmetto powder and extract derived from the Serenoa repens tree, offering multiple health benefits. Benefits and features. Prostate and urinary health. Traditionally used to ease symptoms of an enlarged prostate, including frequent urination and discomfort. Hair maintenance. Acts as a natural DHT blocker, potentially reducing hair loss and promoting thicker, healthier hair for both men and women. Quality and purity. Third-party tested to ensure potency and purity, using premium ingredients. Pricing. Available for $26.40 for a bottle of 100 capsules. Take 1 capsule daily with a meal or as a healthcare professional advice. Customer feedback. Amazon. Over 3,000 positive reviews, with users praising its value and health benefits. IHERB. Reports of noticeable improvements in hair and prostate health. Walmart. Customers mention increased hair thickness and visible results. Medical advice. Consult a healthcare provider before use, particularly if managing health conditions or taking medications. Review the ingredient list for any potential allergens. Incorporating Havasu Nutrition's saw palmetto supplement can support prostate health, urinary function, and hair maintenance effectively. 4. Now beta-sitosterol. Prostate health support. Now Foods beta-sitosterol supplement contains plant sterols known for supporting prostate health and urinary function, along with cardiovascular benefits. Prostate benefits. Urinary health. Beta-sitosterol may help improve symptoms of benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, including frequent or incomplete urination. Prostate support. Promotes healthy prostate function by maintaining normal urinary flow and reducing discomfort. Additional features. Plant sterols. Each serving includes 1,000 milligrams of plant sterols, beta-sitosterol, campesterol, and stigmasterol, to support overall health. Fish oil base. Natural fish oil concentrate enhances absorption and offers potential heart health benefits. Recommended dosage. Take 2 soft gels twice daily with meals. Sizes. Available in 90 softgel bottles for $28.99 and 180 softgel bottles for $49.99. Customer feedback. Amazon. Users report improvements in urinary symptoms and prostate health, alongside positive results in cholesterol management. IHERB. Customers appreciate its dual benefits for heart and prostate health. Considerations. Consult a healthcare professional before use, especially if managing medical conditions or taking other medications. Contains soy and fish oil. Check for potential allergens. 5. GNC Mega Men Prostate and Virility. Comprehensive health support for men. This multivitamin is tailored to address men's overall well-being, emphasizing prostate function, urinary health, and sexual performance. Key benefits. Prostate health. Combines saw palmetto, selenium, and lycopene to promote prostate function and maintain normal urinary flow. Sexual wellness. Includes L-arginine to support blood vessel health, contributing to improved sexual vitality. Antioxidant defense. Packed with antioxidants to protect cells from free radical damage. Dosage. Take 2 caplets daily with meals. Size. Available in bottles containing 90 caplets. GNC's Mega Men Prostate and Virility is a versatile supplement designed to support men's unique health needs, offering targeted benefits for prostate and sexual health alongside overall wellness. Conclusion. Each of these supplements offers unique benefits tailored to specific needs, from prostate and urinary support to sexual health and antioxidant protection. Choosing the right product depends on individual health goals, dietary preferences, and specific concerns. For optimal results, consult a healthcare professional before incorporating any supplement into your routine. Thanks for watching. For more health-related videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.